Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Steve. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's great to have you along. Right, I'll see you after the intro. So guys, what's new with the channel then? Well, I haven't been out on the bike recently for quite a while, work and stuff like that, but we'll get into that a little bit later. The front tyre has finally arrived, so I'm just on my way down now to go get that fitted. And yeah, once we get there, I'll switch this off, get the tyre done. I've got a couple of errands I need to run today. And I thought I'm going to come out on the bike for a little bit. The weather is beautiful. It's about 13 degrees. Very windy though. Obviously not here, we've got the houses built up and stuff like that there. But yeah, the weather is very, very windy today. But we can live with wind, we can live with rain. The only thing we don't like on this channel is snow. Oh, that sound. I think this tyre is going to fall off the back. I've not really attached it very well. It's secure, but it's not amazing. Right guys, I'm just round the corner, so I shall see you once the tyre has been fit. Oh, hello. See you after the tyre has been fitted. Oh, so that's the new tyre fitted to the bike, guys. So I've now got TK-C70 on the front, and I've got the TK-C70 rocks on the back. So we'll see how these tyres go. I've heard a lot of good things about them, minus the mileage. I've heard the front tyre is quite good, but the back tyre probably looking at maybe 2.5k for a tyre. We'll see. So yeah, brand new tyre. Let's just take it a little bit steady. I've got a couple of errands to run, and I'll give it a good scrubbing in tomorrow. So what's new then? One, I don't even know if the audio is going to be working. I fitted the new Pat Talk to the helmet. I had to rip everything out, put a new mic in the helmet, so mainly just testing that out to see if it is working. Like I said, I've got a couple of errands to run, so just go do that now. There is no scenic roads today. So yeah, fitted the new Cardo Pat Talk. Oh my god, I hate that job. Don't I hate doing that. Taking all the interiors out of the helmet, feeding all the wires in, helmet mic wires in. But then just when you've done one helmet, you think, yeah, brilliant, like that, that's the wife's helmet done. Then you've got to do your own. Oh, that's a lot of time I'm never getting back. But I've had the music playing already, and oh my god, the difference in the sound already. And they're not even bedded in yet. So this ain't going to be a long video today, guys. It's just a little bit extra content just to get out. I've not been out on the bike since my last video, the motovlog meetup. I'll put a link around somewhere. And work has just been stupid lately. I don't know what's going on. January is meant to be our quiet time, so for some reason today, well, some reason this day, some reason in January, it's absolutely manic, and I don't know what's happened. I mean, yeah, it keeps us busy, but yeah, there's keeping busy and everything, but then I'm not getting any time to myself. Alright, need to buy the dog some food. Shall go do that, and I shall see you in a second. So guys, yeah, dog food brought. I just want to show you this again. Look at that. Perfect. Fits perfectly. So glad I brought this. It's a great investment. I don't know if you can see that properly, if I'm too close or not. But yeah, if you want dividers for your top box, get on Instagram, top box divider man. Designs them for so many different types of top boxes as well. Absolutely love mine. It helps in so many different ways. Oh, my favourite shop. If any of the viewers vape, I highly recommend this place. EVL. I've been coming here for a few years. Great customer service, friendly staff, at great prices as well. EVL.
No, that's fair. People do want to Saturday.
Well, I feel like I'm just going backwards and forwards now, but I've got one more thing to do, and that's just fill up the bike ready for tomorrow morning. Gonna go for a lovely breakfast tomorrow morning. Might see a couple of you up there. Obviously by the time this video comes out, it'll have already happened. The advantages of having a motorcycle. I don't normally like to filter whilst I'm on camera, but that weren't too bad. Bloody hell, £1.43 still. Ah. £24.57. And what's the time? 3:25. K finishes in 35 minutes. So I better go be the good husband that I am and go and get dinner sorted. So guys, if you've stuck around this far, I know it's not been anything exciting, but I've come out on the bike, so I thought I'd film. I hope you've liked it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, which will definitely be a better video. But what's the next few videos hopefully going to be? Well, I'm going to do a video on the Keis G701 heated gloves. My own personal opinion on that, so that one's coming. And I'll also do a review of what these tyres are like once they're scrubbed in. So guys, take it easy, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you out there.